Hello YouTube, this is Detroit Borg, and today we're going to be unboxing the Klipsch Image S4i in-ear headphones. Now these are critically acclaimed headphones that do sell in the Apple Store, and as you can see on the front, they are designed to work with iPod and iPhone, and basically that means it has a remote controller which works with a bunch of Apple products, including iPod and iPhone. Now the S4i essentially stands for iPod or iPhone. You can buy these without the remote control, and they're simply called the Image S4, and of course they're about $30 cheaper. And if we look around the box, you can see the made for iPod and works with iPhone logo, which essentially means it meets Apple specifications to work with those devices. Inside you see the headsets along with the remote control. You can see I have the white version. You can buy these in black. And on the back you see a diagram of the remote control, and it functions exactly as we expect. The volume up, volume down, play, pause, skip ahead, skip back, fast forward, reverse, etc. And when you're using a phone, you use the center button to place a call or hang up. And there is a microphone on the back, and I'll show you that once I get out of the box. You'll notice that the remote control is actually at the yoke of the wire. On the Apple earbuds, they're actually on the line on the right side of the headset, and these are right in the middle. Alright, let's go ahead and crack into the packaging. We see an open here tab, that's new. So let's see if we can push that in. There we go, it just peels out. Okay, so let's pull this out. So we have a little metal carrying case. Let's see what's in here. We have some ear tips. So we have 3 sets of ear tips. It looks like we have the large, small, and we have the 2-tier ear tips. So I'll have to try to see which one works. These must be the medium that's installed here right now. Also in this case we have a cleaning tool. So you can see the little point there to clear out the ear tips. They've also included this garment clip so you can tie the wire to something on you so it doesn't flap around. So that's kind of nice. I guess you can fasten this to the wire somehow. Alright, let's get the earbuds out. So there's the headset. I'm going to set this aside and we're going to take a look to see what else they included here. Looks like the literature is taped to the back. So we have the manual so we know how to use this and change the ear cups and that sort of thing. So here we have the remote with the mic on the back. We have the volume up and volume down and the center key. We also have an adjustable yoke. And the connector itself is gold plated with that distinctive 3-ring design, which means it works with the remote control. Now taking a close look at the earpiece, you see it has this distinctive angled design which helps it to better fit into your ear. Klipsch on the side, right on the bottom. We also have the Klipsch logo on the back. You see M for medium, so this is the medium earpiece. We can just pull this off. And you see the connector. Now the speaker is down here and essentially projects the sound through this channel. It's very easy to snap back on. You see there's this little mark here, and there's a little ridge on the side of the earpiece. So you want to line those up and snap them in. There you go. So they're lined up. So this is the position best designed for your ear. These are oval earpieces, so they're not round. So these are designed to better fit your ear because according to their research, everybody's ears are oval, they're not round, so these will fit better. I hope so because the Apple in-ear headphones never fit my ear correctly. So I'm hoping these work better. Now I just want to give a quick look at the comparison between the Klipsch and the Apple in-ear headsets. You can see that these cups come off. The Apple headphones actually look quite nice without the plastic cup on. You can see it's all metal. If you take the Klipsch off, you see it's all plastic. So at first glance it looks like the Apple in-ear headphones are a nicer quality build, but these are supposed to sound quite a bit better, so that's what I'm relying on, and hopefully these earpieces fit my ears a lot better. If you look at the remote controls, you can see that the Apple remote is quite a bit smaller. It has these buttons. They're not really buttons, they're flush buttons. You can see the button in the middle, and the volume up and down. And of course you have real physical buttons here. So they feel actually more tactile than the Apple remote. And of course you have the microphone on the back. The Apple headphones also have this adjustable yoke. It's a little different. It's not permanently fixed. You have to snap in the wire and use that to make the adjustment. The Apple ear cups also have the sizes indicated on the side. You can see medium underneath the flap. The Klipsch headphones also give you about 6 more inches of wire length than the Apple earbuds. And if we look at the connectors, again, the Klipsch are gold plated while the Apple isn't. This is a test of the microphone on the Klipsch Image S4i headphones. And this is a test of the microphone on the Apple in-ear headphones. Overall, I have to say these are the best sounding in-ear headphones I have ever tried, so I'm very satisfied. They do sound quite a bit better than Apple's in-ear headphones, and that's thanks largely to these earpieces, which are much more successful at sealing your ear. The sound quality is very well balanced. It's very clear and crisp. It doesn't have the strong bass sound that you might get from the Beats by Dr. Dre. The other thing that amazes me about these in-ear headphones is that they have a very open feeling. Normally, you don't get that with in-ear headphones. You have to get that with more open-backed, over-the-ear headphones. Fortunately, the wire is quite a bit longer than the Apple earbuds. The biggest problem I have with the Apple earbuds is the wire is too short. I'm kind of tall at 6'3", so the Apple earpieces are just too small, especially if my iPhone or iPod is in my pocket. I'm also very pleased with the remote. It's different than Apple's remote. It's a little bigger, so it's easier to grab. I actually prefer the remote on the closer to the earpiece because it's easier to get at. I tend to tuck the wire underneath my jacket or my shirt so it doesn't get in the way. So because the remote control is so much farther down on the wire at the yoke of the wire, it means it's harder for me to get to in those situations. So once again, guys, this is Detroit Borg with a quick unboxing and review of the excellent Klipsch S4i headphones. Thanks for watching.